when you get that feeling that somebody's watching you. There he is, little beep beep. Beep beep, he's a bird. He's waiting for some crab sticks, but he's had 2 lots already today. Little beep beep, that's probably on the other roof. No, ciao for now. Bloody monkey freaks. These wiggly feathers, why are you being attacked? Your feathers are all over the place. That's an last one. That's it for now. Yeah, that's it for now. Good babies. Good babies, that's it. Hey, boo. See you later.